How to fix Messenger Notes feature not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're missing the new Notes feature in your Messenger application, this video provides a few solutions to get it back. First, you need to make sure that you have the Messenger application installed with its latest version. To ensure that, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Tap in the search bar and simply search for Facebook Messenger application. Now tap on that, and if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. This ensures that you have all the latest features of the app. Next, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, you can go ahead and open your device settings, or you can just tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down and tap on storage. From this page, tap on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that this will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again, and finally try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store. But on iPhone, you need to go to Settings and then go to General. After that, go to iPhone Storage and find Messenger in the list of apps and tap on Upload App, and this cleans the cache and unnecessary data. Once uploaded, tap on Reinstall App. After all these steps, you should see the Notes feature. If it's still missing, it might not be available in your region yet. So Facebook often releases new features in stages, so you may need to wait for a few days or weeks. Keep updating the app regularly in the App Store or Play Store, and you will get the feature when it's released in your region. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.